Hi, I hope all of you safe. Okay, so this video number 3. Okay, so in the last session we had seen the theoretical part of the income tax. Okay, so now in this session we will see the slab rates of the tax. Okay, so just see, actually there are three types of the three categories are there. Okay, those who are it means what's the slab tax. For that purpose three categories are there. So which are those? The first one is the what's resident individual 80 years and above. Okay, so those persons who cross the 80 years, for them purpose the separate tax slab tax rate is there. Okay, so second category will be the resident individual 60 years to less than 80 years. Okay, so it means what's in between the 60 to 80, those will come. So and whatever the income earning, so for that purpose different slab rates are there. Okay, so next the categories will be the resident individual below the age of 60 years. Okay, so those persons having the age less than 60 years, that for them, so slab rates are the difference. Okay, so first of all see the first one is the what resident individual 80 years and above. Okay, so what's the tax slab rates are this? Okay, so income range is there, income tax rate is there, and the education cess is there. Okay, so now see this income range. So up to 5 lakh, there is a income tax rate is what's nil. Okay, those who are having the age above 80 years. Okay, and 80 and the 80 above years. Okay, for them purpose, if they earning income up to rupees 5 lakh, there is a no need to pay the tax as well as the education cess. Okay, so but rupees 5 lakh 1 to 10 lakh, up to 10 lakh, the 20% he has to pay what? He or she has to pay what? Tax on the income. Okay, so it means what's the total income minus 5 lakh, the whatever the amount will come on that, so you have to pay what? How many percentage? 20%. So with the education cess for 4% on income tax. Okay, so next the third category will third what's above rupees 10 lakh. Okay, so more than 10 lakh, if it is an income is earning, then that rupees 1 lakh, it means what's in 1 lakh it will come from this category, this 1 lakh plus 30%. Okay, 30% means what's the income is getting more than 10 lakhs, on that incomes we have to pay what's 30%. Okay, so it means total income minus 10 lakhs, whatever the remaining amount, on that remaining we have to calculate how many percentage? 30%. Okay, so plus the 4% of income tax. Okay, so like this we have to calculate the tax slabs for the resident individual 80 years and the above. Okay, so next category is what's resident individual 60 years to less than 80 years. Okay, so for that purpose what's the tax slabs? Okay, so up to 3 lakh, there is a no need to pay the income tax as well as the education cess. Okay, so but 3 lakh 1 to rupees 5 lakh, so he or she has to pay how many percentage? 5%. Okay, so it means what's which income? Total income minus 3 lakh, so it's remaining what's whatever remaining amounts, in that amount you have to calculate how many percentage? 5%. Okay, so plus 4% of the income tax. Okay, so next rupees 5 lakh to 10 lakh, in between whatever the amount is there, on that amounts how many percentage? 20%. How many percentage? 20% we have to calculate. Okay, so this 10,000 will come from here. Okay, from this category, so rupees 10,000 plus more than 5 lakh, then whatever the amount is there, so on that amounts 20% we have to calculate. Okay, so with the 4% of income tax he has to pay. Okay, and the last above rupees 10 lakh, if it is more than 10 lakh, then he has to pay how many percentage? 30%. Okay, so means how it's 30%? Total income minus 10 lakh, and after minusing 10 lakh, whatever the remaining amount is there, on that amounts he has to pay how many percentage? 30%. Okay, and so this 1,10,000 it will come from this category. Okay, so like this he has to pay the tax. Okay, so next is what's resident, last category, resident individual below the age of 60 years. Okay, so income range It means what's those persons having the age less than 60 years, okay, less than 60 years, what's the slab rates are there for the tax. Okay, so up to 2,50,000 there is a no need to pay the income tax rates as well as the education cess. Okay, so there is a no need to pay the income tax. Okay, so but more than 2 lakh up to 5 lakh, if it is the income is getting, then he has to pay the tax. How many percentage? 5%. Okay, so it means what's total income minus 2,50,000. Okay, whatever the amount is remaining, on that amount he has to pay how many percentage? 5%. Okay, so plus 4% of income tax. Okay, so whatever the tax rate tax will come on the tax, he has to calculate what? 4%. Okay, so next rupees 5 lakh, rupees 1 to 10 lakh, the he has to pay how many percentage? 20%. Okay, how many percentage? 20%. Okay, so now this how to calculate this 20%? It means what's total income minus the 5 lakh. Okay, whatever the amount will come, so on that amount he has to pay how many percentage? 20%. Okay, and so this 12,500 it came from this category. Okay, so he has to pay 4% income tax also. Okay, so next above 10 lakh, above rupees 10 lakh, so rupees 1,12,500, this 1,12,500 came from this category. Okay, so plus 30,000. Okay, so it means what's total income minus 10 lakh. After minusing the 10 lakh from this total income, whatever the amount is remaining, on that amounts he has to calculate how many percentage? 30%. Okay, so like this you have to calculate what's the tax slabs. Okay, so we will see one examples related to this category in resident individual below the age of 60 years. Okay, so just see here, XYZ person is there. Okay, XYZ person, and his age is what's 55 years. Okay, what? How many years? 55 years, and income of rupees 14 lakh per annum. Okay, so the annual income is rupees 14 lakh. Okay, so now we have to calculate the tax. Okay, we have to calculate the tax. Okay, so now see the total income rupees 14 lakh. What's the total income? Rupees 14 lakh. Okay, so now in this category, see up to 2,50,000 there is a no need to pay the tax. Okay, so see here 1 lakh, 2 lakh and half, it means 2,50,000 there is a no need to pay the tax. Okay, 2,50,000. Okay, so next see here rupees 2,50,000 to 5 lakh, he has to pay how many percentage? 5%. It means what's total income minus 2,50,000. Okay, so it means see here, so up to this 2,50,000 there is no need to pay. So 2,50,000 up to 5 lakh, in this category amount will be 2,50,000. Okay, what's 2,50,000? So this on this 2,50,000 he has to calculate what? How many percentage? 5%. And the 5% of this 2,50,000 is how many rupees? 12,500. Okay, 12,500. Okay, so next see here we calculated 5%. Okay, next up to 5 lakh to 10 lakh, what? 5 lakh to 10 lakh, how many percentage? 20%. Okay, 20%. It means 5 lakh to 10 lakh. Okay, so this 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 3 lakh, 4 lakh, 5 lakh. Okay, the amount will be 5 lakh. On this 5 lakh, how many percentage calculate? 20%. And the 20% of this 5 lakh is rupees 1 lakh. Okay, we calculate what? The 1 lakh. Okay, and next see here about 10 lakh, about 10 lakh, how many percentage? 30%. See here about 10 lakh, how many percentage? 30%. Now how to this 30% we have to calculate on which amount? Okay, up to 10 lakh, it means what's, so 1 lakh to 2,50,000 there is a no need, and 2,50,000 to 5 lakh 5%. Okay, and so 5 lakh to 10 lakh, how many percentage? 20%. And more than 10 lakh, if it is, it means how many amount is there after 10 lakh? This 11, 12, 13, 14, it means what's the total? It's a 4 lakh. On this 4 lakh we have to calculate how many percentage? 30%. Okay, so 30% means on this 4 lakh 1,20,000. It means how total he has to pay the tax? 2,32,500. So this 12,500 plus 1 lakh plus 1,20,000. Okay, the total will be the 2,32,500 he has to pay the tax. Okay, so this XYZ persons. Okay, so like this we have to calculate the tax. Okay, so I hope you will understand. Okay, so if it is not understand, you can contact me, I will tell you or I will help you. Okay, so thank you.